Well, hello, this is Loretta Living. Get ready to participate in the Orange, the Color Series Tablescape for May. We were asked to use the color Peach, which is orange, and I consider it with some yellow. So, I want to show you some things about my Tablescape that I love. Next, I want to talk to you about the host, the co-host, which is two co-hosts. The lovely host series Tablescape is hosted by Miss Malin, Cozy Lifestyle. The co-host, Asthmatic Adventures, I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Beautiful ladies. I love their channels, love what they do, and I love what they say. Grace Life has some beautiful, beautiful things in her table. Whatever she does, it's a beautiful words that she uses. I want to show you that I'm using a pumpkin ginger snap candle. Smells delicious. So I'm going to show you my Tablescape. Cut my light on a little bit brighter. So let's get started. So what I want to tell you is that I use a placemat from Ross. Purchased these at Ross. My chargers is from Home Good, the lovely Home Good. I'm sure you have seen these. I couldn't help but to get them when I first saw them. The plates are from the Dollar Tree. And when I see color, sometimes I go on and get them because I'll eventually use it. My napkin is from Home Good, and I purchased this beautiful, beautiful orange napkin ring that I use from the Dollar Tree. My centerpiece is a beautiful vase that my mother gave me. And my flowers are from Walmart and Dollar Tree. My beautiful candles are from Ross. My smile sign I purchased from Home Good. So smile as we watch each other's collaborations with the color orange, because orange is a beautiful bright color that makes you smile. Let's get started. And I forgot to tell you, the pumpkin smell came from I was at Aldi's and they had these pumpkin ginger snap candles out. So smile.